Good morning, students. We'll continue with the chapter circle. Continue with the chapter circle. The first example today is circle with the center O. AB is the chord. If angle this is 90 and this angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, ABC is equal to 30 degree, we have to find angle CAO. CAO. We have to find angle this. So angle X. Solution. Angle AOB is twice angle ACB because center angle is twice the angle subtended at arc. AOB is 90 by 2 is equal to ACB, that is equal to 45. Now triangle OAB. OA is equal to OB, therefore angle OA, therefore angle OAB is equal to OBA is equal to X, and 90 plus X is equal to 180, 2X is equal to 90, therefore X is equal to 45. Now triangle CAB, angle X plus angle CAB plus angle 30 is equal to 180. X we have find 45 plus 30 plus CAB. CAB we can write angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180. Angle 2 is also equal to 45. 2. So 45 plus 30 plus angle 1 plus 45 is equal to 180. 45, 90, 120. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 120. Angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. Example 2. Example 2 is, in a given figure, AB is the diameter. This is the center O, this is C, this is X, and this angle is 30 degree. We have to find the value of X. Angle ACD is equal to angle ABD is equal to 30, angle in same segment, and angle ADB is equal to 90, angle in semicircle. Therefore triangle ADB 90 plus 30 plus X is equal to 180, X is equal to 60 degree. example 3. Example 3 is, in a joining figure, AB is the diameter of a circle with the center O. AB is the diameter with the center O. If this angle is 120, this is O, this is C, and this is T, we have to find angle ADC. X. ADC is equal to X is what? Solution. This is Y. 120 plus Y is equal to 180. Linear pair. So angle Y is equal to 60 degree. So angle AOC, which is equal to Y, is equal to twice the angle ADC or twice of angle X, because center angle is twice the angle subtended at arc. So this was 60 is equal to 2 times of X, so X is equal to 30 degree. Example 4. Example 4 is, in a given figure, we have to find angle. We have to find AC is a diameter. First thing we have to find that. And second is angle ACB. So now solution, angle DBC is equal to angle CAB is equal to 45, angle in same segment. This is 70, this triangle ABD 65 plus 70 plus X is equal to 180, X is equal to 180 minus 135, X is equal to 45. So therefore angle ADC is equal to 90 degree, therefore AC is the diameter. First part is over. Angle ACB is equal to angle ADB is equal to X, angle in same segment. So angle ACB is equal to 45 degree. Example 5. Example 5 is, in a given figure, AC is the diameter, O is the center. This point is E and ED is parallel to AC, and AC is the diameter. So now we have to see what we have to find. Angle CBE. Angle CBE is 63 degree. We have to find angle DEC. We have to find this, which is equal to x. First of all, we'll write solution. AC is the diameter. Therefore, angle AEC is equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90. Now 63. This is B. Angle EBC is equal to angle EAC is equal to 63 angle in same segment. Now triangle AEC, this is 63, angle EAC plus AEC plus ACE is equal to 180. 1 is 90 plus 63 plus x, this is also x because the lines are parallel, is equal to 180. So x is equal to 27. So x1 we can write x1. So x1 is equal to x is alternate angles. Therefore x is also equal to 27 degree. Example 6. In a given figure, PQ is the diameter and O is the center. If this angle is 42 degree, RQ, we have to find angle RTS. Solution. PQ is the diameter. Therefore, angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree. Angle in semicircle. 42. Angle ROS is equal to twice the angle RQS. center angle is twice the angle subtended at arc. So this is 42 by 2 is equal to ROQS is equal to 21 degree. Angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180, linear pair. So therefore angle 2 is also equal to 90 because angle 1 is equal to 90. We'll take the triangle RQT in which angle 2 plus angle Y plus angle RTQ is equal to 180. This is 90 plus 21 plus RTQ is equal to 180. So RTQ is equal to 180 minus 111. RTQ is equal to 69 degree.